The district found there were students that just didn't fit into the standard model of education. The busyness of the high school, the amount of students and staff that were there, the demands that were being placed on them as traditional education does, these students weren't fitting into that mold. They needed something that was going to meet their needs where they were.
Everyone in the high school was telling me bad things, that I'm going to fail. And I had to realize, like, oh, this is my last year and these people is bringing me down, but Miss Han always had my back, and she's really one of my favorite teachers in the world. So I'm happy to be here.
This program started up as a way to support the kids who struggle getting into school, to support the kids who struggle staying in school, who will hide all over the building if you give them a chance, who will struggle with relationship with teachers, with students, to give them a place where they can kind of relax, focus on the schoolwork, and get more of that one-on-one small group attention that they need.
When I came back from Florida, I messed up my credits because they have different requirements, and I feel like if I came here, I would get them. I had 40s in my classes. I've never been on honor roll before, and then I got high honor roll, and then I got honor roll again and honor roll again. I just think that made my mama proud.
My favorite part about the program is just to interact with people I really haven't talked to, and to learning, because it's a diploma, it's coming soon. It's just I gotta continue grinding, continue doing what I need to do.
I can't even describe adequately how proud I am on a daily basis. But if I step back and I look at where they started, the difference in them is astonishing.